Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Mission, Kansas. Early in the morning, it's about 7 o'clock, a little after. Let's take a look at this trench that we've got dug. Come over here. We're almost down to the footing. After today, we'll be ready to go on the inside and do our interior setup, saw cut the floors, get our piers holes ready for our piers. So yeah, it's Thursday morning, Mission, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, stay with me here on this job. We're going to videotape it all the way through it. This is the kind of boring part of it, but once we get inside, it's pretty quick business. So 816-521-8915. You can always catch us on our website, kingpiers.com. We offer financing. Go to our website, check out our financing options for you. A lot of people are choosing it these days. So thank you.